Hey guys, welcome to this video, and in this video we are going to review a product which is called as Pinnacle. And before telling you anything about this Pinnacle thing, let me make it very clear that I'm gonna earn commission if you buy the product from the link which is down below. Since I am referring you to the product creator, that is why he or she will incentivize me with commissions. And with that note, let us start reviewing the product which is called as Pinnacle. And let me make it clear and let me make it loud that if you buy the product from me, that I'm gonna give you a lot of bonuses from my side as my bonuses. As you can see, this is the Pinnacle bonus page which I created for Pinnacle only, and I have briefed about the product right here a little bit, but it will help you out in understanding the product. You are seeing the sales funnel. I will discuss about the funnel a little bit later, but after that let me show you that what are the things that I'm going to give you if you buy the product from my side. Okay, it is just an intro, and all of these bonuses will be yours if you buy the product from me. And I will also show you everything inside this Pinnacle thing. As you can see, what are the things you will be getting if you buy the product, and find, build, advertise. We will discuss about the interior as well. So stay tuned in this video, and let's get started. Hey guys, welcome. So let me show you that this Pinnacle thing is kind of an opportunity. You are ready? Are you ready for the biggest opportunity in 2022? This brand new middleman app generates us a passive $795.10, around $800 every 24 hours on complete autopilot. Zero experience required, easy to use, and newbie proof. This is a cloud-based copy and paste app, easiest way to generate hundreds per day, hyper profitable online business in a box, no hosting or domains needed, unique method to enjoy passive income, no complications or hassles. Newbies are succeeding with this, and 60-day money back guarantee. So you are getting a 60-day money back guarantee. So if you wanna buy the product, click right here, buy the product, and get all the bonuses that I showed you to your account directly. Okay, let me now show you or brief you with my bonuses. So bonus number 1, as you can see, already $700, which I'm gonna pay you, or I'm gonna send to you. This is not what the product originally will cost you. It is tons and tons more than that. Only the bonus number 1 that I'm gonna give you. Okay, it is around $700. So it is completely, let me show you, this is completely affiliate marketing training, affiliate marketing courses, 16 affiliate marketing courses that I'm gonna give you. As you are seeing right here, $1 million toolbox, 6-figure influx, $200 cash hack, commission blueprint, traffic jacker, CPA day, coffee shop method, commission profit hack, instant traffic jacker, commission glitch, commission toolbox. All of these will help you out in understanding the affiliate marketing entirely, and you will see 16 ways and 16 unique ways of doing affiliate marketing, which will multiply in folds your knowledge regarding the affiliate marketing, and you will see how to do affiliate marketing pretty much good with these products. Okay, this is what I'm going to give you as my bonus number 1. So if you want to buy the product, which is the Pinnacle thing, then kindly kindly click the link in the description. You will land on this page. From this page, if you click on any of these buttons, yellow buttons right here, which states click here to secure a copy and bonuses, you will land on the page of Pinnacle, which is this page. If you buy the Pinnacle thing from any of these pink buttons, then definitely you will get all the bonuses to your account. Okay, now let me show you the bonus number 2 that I'm going to give you from my side. Bonus number 2, as you are seeing right here, it already cost you $337, means already cost me $337, and bonus number 1 and bonus number 2 will add up to $1,000, around $1,000. Okay, the bonus number 2 is the backbone of doing affiliate marketing, which is traffic. Traffic is what? Traffic are the visitors or the customers which you will be getting to promote your products, if you do not have the customers to buy the product, then you are not going to make commissions. Okay, that problem I'm going to solve you with bonus number 2, which is 6 money making courses, six traffic courses, which is this one. The Fuego Breakout, the Clones, the Fuego Multiplier, Bang Bang Profits, 0-hour Workdays, Incognito. All of these are traffic trainings, which I'm going to give you as my bonus number 2. Okay. Now the bonus number 3 is again $527, around $550 or so. And so you already means I'm already giving you more than $1,500 worth of bonuses from my side if you buy the product. Okay. The bonus number 3 is 9 money making courses, as you are seeing right here. 9 money making courses, 0-hour work days, $0 to $100 in 24 hours, breakthrough, El Bandito, Profit Factory, Sales Web, Secret Weapon, Lost Code, Mobile, Easy Passive Paydays. So all of these will enhance the way or knowledge of you in creating wealth online. All of these are explicit, means not explicit but exclusive, sorry. It is exclusive money making content, money making trainings from my side. I will give you if you buy the product from the link which is down below in the description of this YouTube video. From that link you will land on this page, which is this one. When you click on this buttons, any of these yellow buttons, then you will land on this Pinnacle sales page. If you buy the Pinnacle thing, all of these bonuses will be transferred to your account. Okay. Now let me show you the product from inside. Okay, but before showing you the product from inside, let me also show you the sales funnel. What is a sales funnel? A sales funnel means what the front end product is, which is the Pinnacle product you are seeing as front end. It will also have a lot of back end products as well, which just improves the quality of the first end or the front end product. Okay, like the front end product will cost you $17, then you will be offered another product at $29. You will be offered another product at $39, then $29, then $197, and then $147. And 50% commissions means I will get 50% commission if you buy the products. Okay, so this is what this product is and what the offers are. What is the offer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everything you will see when you buy the front end product, which is the Pinnacle front end product. When you buy the product, you will be offered these one-time offers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you get or if you find this product to be helpful, then you can buy the product, and that is how much you will get advantage of the Pinnacle thing. Okay, now let me show you the Pinnacle product from inside. What the product is from inside, let me show you. So right here you are seeing the VIP training, which is this one, which is opened right here. There are total, I guess, 16 videos, 16 training videos. Okay, there are 16 training videos right here. So you will be seeing 16 videos. This is the first video, I guess. Yes, this is the first one. And there are bonuses as well, which the product creator is giving you. Then there is a tab for finding something. Finding means everything you will see on the trainings. You will see everything in the training modules of this product. Okay, you will know how to find something. The finding means how to find the right product, and you can build a website. You are having a website builder, a name finder, then advertise to advertise. You can get access to Sparks, Miracles. All of these will be offered to you if you buy the product right now. Okay, so I guess this is clear, and there are a lot of information in the sales page as well of the Pinnacle, but I'm not gonna waste much more time on the Pinnacle sales page thing because it will make this video a little bit longer. So you can read everything right here at your leisure when you land on this page. Okay, The step 1 is purchase. You have to purchase the product, then you have to select the business in a box thing, and then just click on activate, click the go, and generate a perpetual stream of payments into your account. Then sounds sexy enough for you. What they have generated is $797 USD. And then there are a lot of things as well. There's the product creator Venkata Raman. He's an Indian as well. My off the grid business in a box app. There are a lot of other things right here. You can see at your leisure completely. When you feel it, you can learn everything about the product. There are a lot of information about the product, how this product is going to make you money. And here what I saw is free high quality bonus 1, which is the bundle niche blocks. Okay, then 30 days to $9,000 challenge. Okay, are you ready to take on the $9,000 challenge? Then $500 per day case study, $60,000 in 60 days case study, then friendly top class 24/7 support. So I guess all the 4 bonuses which they are showing are right here in the bonus section. Free traffic secrets, 200 expensive Amazon products, social media traffic, finding hot profitable niches. So no, there is not. There may be other places where these bonuses will be transferred to you from the product creator. Okay, and free special bonus which he is going to give you is step by step $100 per day training. Okay, so there are a lot of things about the sales page, about the product. A total value of $6,987. Everything you will get at a one-time price of right now $17. Okay, if you buy the product right now. Then I guess this is clear. I showed you everything about the product, and if still you are facing any difficulty or knowing anything, you can definitely ask me in the comment section down below. I'm eager to reply you. And so kindly, that this is it. Let me wrap up this video now. So kindly consider subscribing to the channel, like the video, press the bell icon. And I create training video, means I create product videos which launches every single day, every single week. I create training videos as well. Kindly consider subscribe to the channel for never missing up an important video or important course or important software that launches. So kindly consider subscribing, and I will meet you on the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.